It's easy to add new features to your website using widgets. Let's have a look at that now. Starting from the dashboard, go to Appearance and Widgets. And you can see we have a list of available widgets down here. Over to the side we've got areas that we can place our widgets. So we've got a primary sidebar, a content sidebar and a footer widget area. Now the number and range of widget areas you'll have will depend on your theme. This selection of widget areas comes from the theme that is currently in use on this site called 2014. If we take a look at the available widgets, some of those will be available on any WordPress site. Some of those will have come from plugins, such as this one, the Contact Information widget has come from the Jetpack plugin. Some of them will come from the theme as well. So if you look at the widgets and the widget areas on your site and they look different from what you see here, then that's absolutely nothing to worry about. Now I'm going to put a widget on the content sidebar, so I'm going to expand the content sidebar and then you simply click and drag your widget over. So I'm going to choose my recent posts and then save. And let's take a look at what the site looks like with that widget in place. So there you can see that's my widget added to my sidebar. Let's go back to widgets. And let's move that to my primary sidebar and see what difference that makes. And you can see this time my recent posts widget is on the other side of my screen. So you can see you can make many changes to the layout of your site and change the content on your site very simply and quickly using widgets. The final widget area I have on this site is the footer widget area, and any widgets you put in there will appear in the footer of the website. Now to remove widgets, you simply click and drag them away from the widget area. You can drag them down the page to inactive widgets, and that means that should you ever need that widget again, you can easily click and drag it back to the widget area. So you're effectively saving that widget for later use. If you want to add your own text to a widget, you can use a plain text widget, and you can put either text or HTML in there.